Asthma is a disease that affects millions across the globe. And in particular, it is a chronic illness that seems especially prevalent in American society. There is a specific problem within our communities, for our developing children specifically. We live in a post industrial world where the air quality, aging facilities, and products of the environment shape the cumulative effects that asthma has on our aging population. According to an article published by AmericanProgress.org, I quote, an estimated 41% of districts need to update or replace heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, their HVAC systems, in at least half of their schools. There must be measures in place, then, to offset the accumulation of all of these negative effects of our industrial society so that we may minimize the accumulation of the adverse symptoms which come with asthma and their varying degrees within developing children. This solution will then involve the cultural layer. A solution would be the implementation of detailed and up-to-date filtration systems within our school districts and frequent checkups for our equipment. These checkups and these renovations would of course be costly, but is a worthy cause to invest in, especially in our public health and education system. According to one of the studies, particulate matter, chemical and biological materials like carbon monoxide, nitrogen dioxide, and black carbon, just to name a few, are great triggers which are constantly present in our air quality. While we cannot change, or while school districts cannot change the legislation of the exterior world, they can indeed change the interior of their schools where children will be spending the vast majority of their day. In addition, and although studies debate whether there's a major causal relationship between air pollutants and the extent of asthma exacerbation, it remains true that indoor and outdoor pollution represents a major public health threat with negative impacts on those with asthma. Therefore, action must surely be taken in some regard, and in my opinion, that action should take the form of updating these ventilation systems and doing frequent checks for the benefit of developing children.